And coming up the stairs, I can hear.
Thank you.
Hey!
Thank you.
My caddy has my
Yes,
box.
you need to pay us. You should pay us.
Let me get a.
My
Oi!
caddy.
Thank you, Mama.
Haribo.
The first thing is, does it have both our names on it? Yes, it does. Hey. Alright. I'm going to make a video in a minute unboxing this. What do you think, Hera?
Hello, what do you think?
Daddy got himself a present. And you too.
What?
Okay. Let's see what we got.
How are you feeling, sweetie?
I'm very, very excited. I feel like it's Christmas.
You feel like it's Christmas?
Yeah.
Ah.
So Sharon and I have been taking an interest in golf. We've just joined a very historic golf club here in Kenya called Nandi Bears,
Yes.
which is at Nandi Hills.
Yeah.
But you can't play golf without golf clubs, so how am I going to do this? Let's pick it up. See if it comes out.
Don't break it. Don't break them.
Oh, there should be balls and gloves in here too, so where are they? Hopefully they're in this box.
Wow.
We've got here a set of MacGregor ZT1.
Yes.
We should have everything we need in here, including.
They said the balls are inside the bag.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
It really does feel like Christmas. I feel like a big kid.
You feel like?
A big kid. Christmas time.
Yes, sweetie. That is daddy's clubs. Daddy will get you yours, Mama.
We'll get you some kids ones when you start playing.
Once you start playing golf.
These ones are too big.
They're not for kids.
Whee.
Is that okay, Hera?
So, that's a glove.
Yes.
Me. That's a box of Strixon soft feel golf balls.
Are they what you ordered?
This is what I ordered, yeah.
Alright.
So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 irons, a putter,
Yes.
2 hybrids,
Yes.
3 wood,
Yes.
and a driver.
The
And
driver.
I'll show you them up close in a sec.
Okay.
So I finished unboxing my brand new clubs here that I'm going to be using here in Kenya. Yeah, I'll just quickly go through what it comes. It's a set. It's got this nice bag with a stand. Here in Kenya, it's pretty well compulsory to use caddies every course, so you don't need a trolley. You just your caddy carries your bag as like you're a professional. So this is the driver, ZT1. .460 degrees. Supposedly there's a nice big sweet spot on it. Yeah, I've never been a very low handicap or anything, so this is I wouldn't call it a beginner set, sort of, well, beginner to intermediate. And it came with 6 irons, so you got from a 5 up to a sandwich. And they've got these cavity backs, quite nice looking. We've got a putter, just fairly basic. And as well as we've got a couple of hybrids. So this one's 21 degree. There's also a 24 that's still got the cover on it. They've all got covers. This hybrid wood, fairway wood, 3 wood. And like I say, they've all got covers. I've just taken them off. Just have a look. So I'm going to try and take them out for a hit. So I'm here on the Nyanza golf course. There go my clubs that way, my caddy. I'm playing with the Club Pro here today. Just a practice round. And yeah, trying out these new clubs. They're really nice actually. Very forgiving. Driver's got good action. Hey Collins, I was just making a video about the new clubs.
Oh,
What's your opinion of them?
they're fantastic.
They're not too bad, huh?
Nah, they're fantastic.
That's good.
I love them.
Yeah, that's good.
Top.
Yeah, that's good.
Good clubs.
Alright, so we're up here on a little par 3 and I'm going to hit off.
Let's proceed.
It's a very short hole.
Yeah, going there.
It's a bad one to show you, it's the only
It's the brownie.
brown green. But, I really like it, you've got to hit over these trees.
Yeah. Nice target, nice one. Yeah, let Johns go through. Good shot, just the line a little bit heavy.
Alright, so I just got a little fishing wedge.
Yes.
I'm gonna try.
Got like 25 yards to the flag. Soft hands. Open the club face. Let your hands go through. Yeah. Good touch. Nice chip. Nice touch.